Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on your laptop without a phone or a phone number. So basically WhatsApp has their own desktop application, but unfortunately that requires a phone number and we don't have it in this situation. But there is a workaround. So basically we're going to download an Android emulator. You can download anyone you want, but I'm going to use BlueStacks 5 for convenience. So we're gonna open that, and after that we need to download WhatsApp. I already have it downloaded, but all you have to do is go into Play Store and search for WhatsApp. After opening it, you just need to go through the steps until it tells you that it requires a phone number. Then we're going to go onto Google and search for temporary phone number. Now click on one of the links. I'm going to click on the second link. And you can just use any one of these numbers and it's going to send you an SMS and you can confirm using any one of these numbers. So that was basically it. I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you in the next one.